Sahih Al-Bukhari 3721, narrated Urwa radiyallahu ta'ala anha. On the day of the battle of Al-Yarmouk, the companions of the Prophet sallallaho alaihi said to Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, will you attack the enemy vigorously so that we may attack them along with you? So Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu attacked them, and they inflicted 2 wounds over his shoulder, and between these 2 wounds there was an old scare he had received on the day of the battle of Badr. When I was a child, I used to insert my fingers into those scare in play. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3722, 3723, narrated Abu Osman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. During one of the Ghazwat in which Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi was fighting, none remained with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi but Talha and Sa'd radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3724, narrated Qais bin Abi Hazim radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. I saw Talha's paralyzed hand with which he had protected the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam from an arrow. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3725, narrated Sa'd radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. On the day of the battle of Uhud, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned for me both his parents, i.e. saying, let my parents be sacrificed for you. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.